Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. This is like the third one I filmed today. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing how I create this eye look, there will be a tutorial for that. And if you are interested in seeing how I did my brows, there will also be a video for that. I didn't do them all together because I didn't want it to be too long. And I know some people just want to see brows and some people just wanted a Valentine's Day look. And if you're here for this video, that means you want to see a little review and demo on the new Maybelline Superstay full coverage foundation. So I picked it up last night from Walgreens and I'm super excited to try this. I think it was like maybe $9.99 or $11.99, either one, but I'm just about to see how it works for me and see how I like it. So let me get my foundation brush. Okay, so the shade I got is 355. Okay, so normally in the Maybelline foundations I would get like maybe 335, sometimes 338 or 340, and by it being winter I knew I would need a lighter shade, so I was kind of disappointed that they didn't have many shades in the Superstay. I'm like, how do y'all go from Fit Me to all those shades to just what? I can't remember how many shades it is, but it was like a big jump from this and another one. I knew the other one was going to be way too light, so I had to settle for this. And this is, like I said, in 355 coconut. So let's see what it could do. Prime my skin with my favorite primer, of course. If you've been watching me for a long time, you know that it's the Baby Skin Pore Eraser. And I'm going to spray my face with the Mario Badescu spray. Foundation. And thank God it comes with the pump. Like, you need to put some pumps on the Fit Me, okay? The one I got, this was the only one in this shade. It was like so beat up. It was kind of dirty. So, let's see. Well, I haven't worn 355 in a long time, but look like it's gonna work. And this is the original shade I started off with when I first started wearing foundation. In the Maybelline, I started off with 355. It has a weird smell to it. Okay, let's blend it out. I'm gonna take my Real Techniques sponge. On camera, I mean in person, well, on camera too, while I was looking a little orange. I'm pretty sure to adjust once I put on my concealer, and I'm gonna do my forehead. This is my new favorite sponge. Like, it's everything. Oh, and I forgot to mention, they say the foundation is 24 hours. Yeah, 24 hours. I don't know who wears makeup for 24 hours, but so I don't want to set it because, oh, look at the difference between my neck and that. I don't want to set it because I feel like it's already too full coverage and I don't want to look all cakey. Wow. Look how this looks, y'all. This might have worked in the summer, but when the winter comes, So we're just gonna see what it do throughout the video. I'm gonna apply the rest of my face, and I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 30 Cafe. See, like with other foundations, this concealer isn't even that light on me, but since this foundation is like super dark, the concealer looks like really bright. I haven't highlighted my cupid's bow in a while, but I'm going to do a little bit. And it wouldn't be complete without my L'Oreal Infallible concealer. I just like the little glow. So this is in the shade 07. So my smile lines haven't came through yet. Normally with any other foundation they will start forming, but I don't see them yet, so that's a good thing. And let me know some new concealers. I just bought the NARS All Day Luminous Foundation. I think that's what's called, the new one. And I want to try some more concealers, and I plan on getting a Fenty whenever I can find it. Like, this is so frustrating. But let me know some good concealers. I really want to try some more concealers. I can already tell this is a beat face. Like, what? I haven't beat my face like this in so long. Y'all, I'm at lost for words. My face is looking flawless. It's just a different color for my neck, but other than that, like, like my concealer is like blending so seamlessly, like melting into this foundation. Like, yeah. I'm about to set it with my Sacha Buttercup. I have the Maybelline translucent powder, but I'm gonna save that for another video. Like, so far it doesn't even seem like the foundation itself needs to be set. So far it's not caking up or anything, or, you know, looking crumbly. Yeah. So now I'm about to contour. I'm going into my Tarte's Makeup Shayla thing. I want to know y'all opinion on something. So y'all know how everybody's like outraged about the lack of inclusiveness with the Tarte Shape Tape foundations. And I know Shayla, she's been saying multiple times how Tarte is canceled and she's not using any more Tarte products. But she has like collaboration with them with this palette. So what do y'all think about that? Like, would y'all cancel the brand out completely? Would you make some exceptions for your collaboration product? Or like, what y'all think about that? Still trying to, you know, get over this shade match or whatever, but I'm liking this foundation. Okay, so this is the final look with my like foundation, concealer, and all that extra stuff. So I just went in my bathroom where the lighting is different and it like blends a lot better with my neck. So I'm just guessing maybe it's the natural lighting that's coming in from outside or what it is, but I don't know. But I do still feel like Maybelline should have done better with more shades like they did the Fit Me. And I know they didn't all start off like that, but I feel like they have enough, you know, experience and background to, you know, to just come out with a bunch of shades the first launch. So yeah, so I do like this Superstay foundation. I am going to be using this a lot more, and to be honest, it might have replaced my Fit Me foundations. So I'm just waiting on some more shades if they come out with some, because I could go maybe like a shade or two lighter, like, you know, because I can't be going around looking a little orange in different types of lighting. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. Let me know if you want to see some more reviews. I have plenty of videos coming up, so yeah, stay tuned.